Hi, I'm Gregory from Butcher Block. I own and operate and run Butcher Block in Manor Park, which is in the Upper Plaza, in between True Value and Sugar and Spice. Two steaks from Butcher Block. We have the New York strip loin, and we have the bone-in ribeye. Marbling is very, very important when it comes to your steak and your meat in general. Marbling is flavor, it is tenderness, juiciness. It's actually what you're paying for. The more marbling it has is a higher grade, the more money it costs and the better quality product. The softer, the more tender, more flavorful. So all this fat, this disappears when you cook it. You'll see this goes away. I'm actually gonna do this on the grill. You can do it on the stove, you can do it on the grill. If I do it on the stove, I get one of my cast iron pots, or I got a frying pan like this, put it on the stove, turn the stove on high, big chunk of butter, some crushed garlic, a little bit of thyme, and I'll just cook it in that. Without the plastic, no plastic. Just cook it in the frying pan. But because I have the grill on, I'm going to put these on my grill. So I'm going to open these up. And what I'm doing today, what I'm cooking it is how I do it at home for myself all the time. All right, I like my steak to move. I like it rare. I like to burn the outside and have the inside raw. I'm not doing that today because I heard you guys want like medium. I don't do well. Well is just wrong in my opinion. You might as well, we won't go there, okay? So I like to take a little bit of olive oil. I like to sprinkle a little bit on it. A little bit of olive oil on it. And I try and rub with my left hand to keep my right hand somewhat clean for the seasoning, for touching this and touching the other stuff. And I use my steak seasoning. I don't need to be shy about it. Salt, pepper, garlic, thyme. We have onions, we have black pepper, whole mustard, spices, paprika. I mean, you can vary it. This is my version, this is what I do. But other people use other things. And you can, our steaks are so good, or you can use just garlic, thyme, salt, and pepper, and butter. You don't need to do anything else. That is just perfect. So I'm actually gonna make mine a little bit different because I'm trying to impress you guys. So I'm adding this, and then we do a thing called butter garlic. This is butter that we have dehydrated, because I make this. We dehydrate it, and we add garlic, salt, and pepper. That's all it is. Add a little bit of this, because butter on steak is awesome. Flip it. And you saw how I was with the seasoning. I wasn't shy. I was generous. And my wife is in the corner over there watching me to make sure I do it right. Isn't she gorgeous? Look at that.
Beautiful.
All right, so I'm gonna cook a bone-in ribeye and a New York on the grill. You heard that? Oh, put that in. Again, I'm a timing guy. We're gonna do it for medium. Nice, get it nice and real charred on the inside. I'm gonna flip it, do the same thing. I'm gonna flip it like 4 times. You've seen how we do our steak. I'd like to hear in the comment section how you do your steak. I'd like feedback. I love tips and advice. Please tell us what you do. Thank you.